Welcome to my channel. Today I will be removing Vauxhall Astra Mark 6 diesel air filter. The first step is to remove the Jubilee clip between the turbo and air filter using a flathead screwdriver. It is not necessary to remove this clip but is beneficial as you wouldn't want any tension on the hose whilst replacing the filter as minor tears may occur. There are 6 screws that need to be loosened to get access to the filter. Using Phillips screwdriver, loosen the screws. Once again, it is not necessary to remove the MAF sensor connector, but is beneficial as you wouldn't want any tension on the connectors or wiring. I got in the way of the camera while removing the 3 screws, but I have arrowed them. In the meantime, I will tell the benefits of replacing the air filter. Increased fuel efficiency. Replacing a clogged air filter can increase fuel efficiency and improve acceleration. Reduced emissions. Dirty or damaged air filters reduce the airflow to the engine, changing your car's air-fuel balance. Once all the screws are loosened, it's time to remove the filter housing. You have now gained access to the air filter. Before installing the new filter, clean the filter housing for your new filter to last longer. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.